Hello, welcome back everybody. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I am going to start encrypting messages. This is our day one where we're just going to have some basic part of it, and then we're going to build on it the next few days. So the first thing we need to do is write out the alphabet. I'm going to just say alpha, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, if I don't say out the alphabet, I'll just look ridiculous and miss a letter or something, so I'm not going to do it. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to show you how we get numbers for each of these. Python already has this built in, and you already know about it. It's called indexing, or you should have seen it before. Alpha, if I say alpha of 5, where I use square brackets around that 5, now when I run it, you should see, oh, it doesn't do anything because I didn't print anything out. Here we go. I'm going to print this out. All right, I printed it out, and now 5 is an F. So if I count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I get an F. If I do 25, that should be our last letter, Z. See how Z pops up? Looks like it's working. So what it does is it already has a number for each of those things. That's great. Python's already off to a good start at solving this. So now what we need to do is we need to do something in the opposite order. We need to find a particular thing in there, a particular letter. So I use the word find. So if I said alpha.find, let's find the letter M, and let's save it as position. First, I'm just going to print position. So the find is going to tell us what position that is at. So the M, if we go through, if I start counting at 0, I'll get to the 12th position where the M is at. That's great. Now we know where the M is. Now we want to slide it over a particular amount. Let's do new position equals position plus any number we want. So between 0 and 26, let's do 5. So now I'm going to print new position. All right, now we're up at 17. All right, so now we have that new spot. It works. It seems like it's working great. So now I want to do alpha, and now our square brackets of that new position, and then that will give us our new letter. So I'm going to print this business. I'll run it, and now all of a sudden I'll go from M to R. And if I count from M, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like I got it right. So now, if I want something else, I can just change this letter to E. See what the new thing is? Ooh, I, for some reason, put the E in a weird spot. Here we go. And the E goes to a J. And we can encrypt a whole message like this. However, if I come to the end of the alphabet, and I say Y, what's going to happen? Oh, it's going to have a problem. It's going to have a problem because if I add 5, there's nothing more here. You can't index this at 24 plus 5. There's not 29 things. So what we want to do is something. It's a programmer trick that works a lot, that people use a lot, I should say. Is I'm going to take this and I'm going to have the remainder when I divide by 26. So that's the percentage symbol. What that means is it's the remainder when you divide by 26. So as you go through, the numbers 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 25 are going to be exactly the same. It's not even going to affect it. But if it finds the number 29, it's going to divide by 26, and it will have a remainder of 3. So once it gets here, it just loops back around to here. So now when I run this, a Y, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it gets us a D, and we're done.